YouTube. About to assemble this outdoor fire pit. Hang tight, I'll show you how. Tools needed: screwdriver, 3/8, wrench or socket. Let's flip this over. Got all the legs installed. All right, you need to put sand in it. Put a layer of sand, 1 to 1.5 inches. And it came with a poker. Let's put the grate inside and the cover. We are good to go. We used to have a shed here, that's why you see that gravel. So we're just reclaiming it, and we'll probably whip out a few camping chairs, and yeah, it'll be fun. Roast some marshmallows or something. S'mores, baby. Fire extinguisher ready to go. Let me grab a handful.
She's 5 years old.
Oh, still a baby.
She's still a baby. She's our sweetie.
She's a pup.
Simba, so through the week, okay, Simba.
Citronella. Candles, torchlight. Fire pit. Marshmallows. Kara. Hey, Kara. Just put a couple more logs in there, just enough.